Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be very short, just to tell you that I have made a new Discord server. It's Michelle Long fan channel. So basically, if you are one of my fans, friend me right now, or if you have Discord and you want to end up chatting with me, friend me. I am Cookies with the hashtag 6070. So if you want to do that, just friend me. It will take me at least a day to get your friend request or to accept your friend request because I don't get onto Discord as much. I only get onto Discord about 3 times a day. So if you don't get if you don't get to be my friend as soon as possible, just note just note that I only get on Discord about 3 times a day. This is discord.com. Discord.com. If you are not signed into Discord, you will have to make you will have to make an account. Make your name, whatever you want to do. And um so basically you just have to do the stuff I provide in this video. So yeah, just just if you want to join, just hang out. And if you just want and ever want to join, do stuff with me and other fans, you can do that as much as you want. I will always have my computer on mute, so if you ever call me during the day, I will get the notification. So just friend me on Discord. Again, that is discord.com. I'll see you guys in another video.